Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what really happens when you pull the trigger on a gun? It's a fascinating process that combines physics, chemistry, and engineering. Today we're diving into the science behind gun firing with a detailed 3D breakdown. Let's get started and explore each step in this intricate mechanism. First, let's talk about the trigger. This small component is the starting point of the entire firing process. When you pull the trigger, you're initiating a chain reaction. You're actually releasing a small component called the sear. The sear is crucial because it holds back the hammer or striker. The sear releases the hammer or striker, which is under tension from a spring. This hammer or striker then hits the firing pin with significant force. Next up, let's focus on the firing pin. This small but vital piece of metal plays a key role in the ignition process. The firing pin strikes the primer of the cartridge, which is a small cap at the base of the bullet casing. The primer contains a small explosive charge that ignites when struck. This ignition is the catalyst for the next phase. So, what happens inside the cartridge after the primer ignites? The primer ignites the gunpowder inside the casing. Gunpowder is a chemical mixture that burns rapidly. This rapid burning creates a rapid expansion of gas which builds up pressure inside the cartridge. The gas pressure builds up and propels the bullet down the barrel with incredible speed. Let's zoom in on the bullet's journey through the barrel. This part is crucial for the bullet's accuracy and stability. As the bullet travels down the barrel, it engages with the rifling. Rifling is a series of spiral grooves cut into the barrel. These grooves make the bullet spin as it moves forward. The spinning motion stabilizes the bullet, much like how a thrown football spirals for better accuracy. This spin is essential for maintaining the bullet's trajectory and improving its accuracy over long distances. The stabilized bullet is now on its way to the target, but there's more happening as it exits the barrel. Ever heard of muzzle flash? That's the bright light you see at the end of the barrel when a gun is fired. This flash is caused by the hot gases escaping and igniting upon contact with the outside air. It's a brief but intense burst of light. The escaping gases are extremely hot and ignite when they mix with the oxygen in the air, creating that visible flash. Now let's break down the bullet's impact. When the bullet hits its target, it transfers its kinetic energy. This transfer of energy can cause significant damage, depending on the bullet's speed and the material it hits. The kinetic energy is what makes the bullet effective, and it's influenced by several factors. The shape, material, and design of the bullet all play a role in how it behaves upon impact. The velocity of the bullet also affects its impact. Higher velocity means more kinetic energy and potentially more damage. So why does all this matter? Understanding the science behind gun firing helps us appreciate the engineering and design that goes into firearms. It also emphasizes the importance of safety and responsible handling. Knowing how a gun works can make you a more informed and responsible user. It also highlights the importance of proper training and safety measures when handling firearms. That's it for our 3D breakdown of how a gun fires. We hope this detailed explanation has given you a better understanding of the mechanics involved. Hope you found this deep dive as fascinating as I did. The science and engineering behind firearms are truly remarkable. Remember, always handle firearms with care and respect. Safety should always be your top priority. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Catch you next time. Stay safe and informed.